In analog video security systems, the camera transmits footage to a centralized monitoring unit for analysis. Sony's IP network camera system assigns each camera a unique IP address and connects it to a computer network. Normally, this amount of streaming video would put an unnecessary strain on the network, as centralized processing requires full-time streaming video at high frame rates. These new cameras and software use DEPA, or Distributed Enhanced Processing Architecture, which uses processors built into the camera to analyze the video stream, which then creates a metadata stream. Only sending this object data stream significantly reduces network load. The intelligent alarm can be triggered by a range of actions, such as if a stationary object gets moved, if more than a certain number of people are in a room, if people enter restricted areas, or it can do more complex tasks, such as trigger when a person enters but not when they leave. This could be used in department stores to effectively manage staff to meet customer needs. Don Kennedy, Dig Info News.